Hello everyone, back unboxing video again, and this time all the way from that Bon Jovi. Um, see, we're gonna do another unboxing video. Let's see what I'm so excited what we got from that Bon Jovi shop. So this is I'm so excited for this. Oh boy, they sure like to. Okay, this. This is ridiculous. There we go. I thought it was my Walmart. Here. Okay. Here. All right. Oh, got one of these things again. Look at that. So it's the forever. Huh, let's see what we got here. I think I got another thing. Oh well. Look at that. The 2025 calendar. Going to go to next door until now on the website it did say poster. Okay. Yep, I was right. Poster. It came with a poster. This one came with a poster on it. Oh great. So when this next year comes, oh boy. Lots of, look at that. Oh yeah. February looks good. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, big time. I thought we got this in our album covers. We don't. I love this one big time. I love that picture. Yeah, this is. I think this is supposed to be a poster. I think when next year is done, I'm taking it out, putting it on the wall because it's safe in there real good. John looks real happy there. Oh yeah, everybody remembers this. It's one of my favorites. Oh yeah, that's when he did Music Cares of this year in this corner, and I love this. I love this. I love that. It's for that's from for things we didn't see there forever. John Bon Jovi looks very happy in that corner. Comment down below if you got yours, and I'm just right here on mine right now. Look at that, John. John's right there. I don't know if he's going to tour next year, guys. I just comment down below if you think we're going to hear a retirement announcement soon. But I think John's going to. He said he wanted to continue. But I forgot what January's left. I want to sit and show you what this is. What. Yeah, I'd like. Comment down below which is your favorite. And yeah, it did come with a poster, but look at what the poster is at. Look at that. It's the same as our vinyl, but I think I'm going to have to wait until 2025 gets done, put it up underneath. It did come with a poster, but I got Lizzie in with the backs here. I like this one the most. This is my favorite most. thought it'd be separate from how the calendar was, but sounds to me like I'm gonna wait until 25 to take this little thing out. Oh, I'm happy camper. I love this. I really love this. Yeah, my favorite photograph of this calendar is this one. Mine is always this one because I love that. Never gets old, John. Never gets old. Comment down below if you got your 2025. I got mine today. Look at that. This is cool. I really liked it. I'm gonna take a picture and put it on their Facebook page, their Twitter X page, whatever you guys call it now. Comment down below if you got yours in today. Look at that. I just reviewed mine. But my favorite is, I literally like this. This is like our, yeah, this look familiar to anybody? Comment down below if it is. But my favorite picture on the calendar, it never gets old with John anyway. But I'm glad they put this together, you know. Glad they put it together. This is well together, and I like it. I like this picture of John the most. Yeah, I like it. It's really awesome, cool, and the poster did come with it. Pull out poster. Yeah, it's gonna have to wait until 2025 gets done. It's gonna have to wait until I can pull it out. Yeah, it's because it's connected to the calendar. I think I better wait until. Yeah, I like this the most. I like it. This is never gets old with John. I got full respect for the band, so I love Bon Jovi and John. I'm hoping hope that voice of yours recovers enough for a tour next year if that's what you said you wanted to do. You know. Yep. See, it says pull out poster, including pull out poster, but it's gonna have to wait until because it's connected to this month, which is June, and it got July, and now it's gonna have to wait. I like the poster. I love it. It's the same as the vinyls, and it's the same, but I like this one in like June. I love this one the most too because it's also his profile picture on X. I love it though. I wonder if it's. I don't have to write in. So I wonder if it's got. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's also John's birthday on that year too. God, they forgot that. They forgot that. I'm gonna have to circle that. Oh no, David Brand's birthday's right there. I don't. Oh, yeah. I like this one by him also. This is my other favorite on this calendar too. It's this one right here. John's on his guitar. He looks well relaxed on that guitar. I can tell you. I wish I can. I wish I could do that with mine. I wish somebody could take a picture of me doing that with mine. Yeah, this is real cool. I love this calendar. I love it. I like this. I like this picture of him the most. It does look like his hair is gray, but looks like it's gone a little bit. If you guys take another look, it looks like it's gone white. So, no, John, if you watch this video, don't. That's only a compliment. Shout out to Bon Jovi on their new calendar. I love it. Awesome. So, like, subscribe, comment down below if you're a fan of Bon Jovi, of course. Comment down below if you also like the 2025 calendar of Bon Jovi. Still on pre-order on their website today, so get your pre-order in now, or get it in now. Still on pre-order, waiting for you. If we do hear a retirement announcement, or if John really is up to touring, we'll soon find out. I'm very looking forward to that. I know there's a poster that came with it. I'm not pulling mine out until 2025 is done. So, yep, it's still on pre-order, and you can get yours. It says right in here, pull out poster. Yeah, it's connected 2 months, so it's gonna have to wait. It's didn't come in separately like they said. So Yep, if you didn't get your Bon Jovi Forever calendar, that's here. So, like I said before, there'll be more unboxing videos. So, shout out to all my 72 subscribers. Gotta keep it going. All right. See you on the next video. Bye.